So soul's love technique can actually bring a lot of ease, peace in your life. It can help you be calm. It can improve your energy levels, your productivity at work, and having healthier body, healthier relationships, everything. So I'll give you 2 3 tips of how to work with it, and then for more you can connect back to us. So for example, if you're going through any emotion and you want to dissolve it and just feel fine and neutral and peaceful and calm, you just need to use 3 statements. So you can close your eyes and just try with me. So if you're feeling sad, you can say, my sadness is my soul's love. My sadness is my soul's love. My sadness is my soul's love. My need for sadness is my soul's love. My need for sadness is my soul's love. My need for sadness is my soul's love. My resistance to let go of sadness is my soul's love. My resistance to let go of sadness is my soul's love. My resistance to let go of my sadness is my soul's love. So, for any emotion, you can simply just replace the sadness with the emotion you're feeling. It could be anger, frustration, anything. So, just say XYZ is my soul's love. My need for XYZ is my soul's love. And my resistance to let go of XYZ is my soul's love. And you will start seeing how peaceful and calm you feel, and you can repeat it with different emotions. If you have a health issue, like if there is pain, headache, indigestion, anything, all you need to do is replace that XYZ with indigestion. So you can say, my indigestion is my soul's love. My need for indigestion is my soul's love. And my resistance to let go of my indigestion is my soul's love. And you can work with so many parameters like this when it comes to your body and your health. You can use soul's love with your relationships. So if you want to work and improve your relationship with your partner, all that you need to do is just say, you are my soul's love. You are my soul's love. You are my soul's love. My need for you is my soul's love. My need for you is my soul's love. My resistance to you is my soul's love. My resistance to you is my soul's love. My resistance to you is my soul's love. And this way you can address a lot of other issues. And also, most importantly, positive emotions and feelings get magnified and they spread with bounds and leaves when you do soul's love and put them in the soul's love folder also. So just try it. It's like, my happiness is my soul's love. My happiness is my soul's love. My happiness is my soul's love. My peace is my soul's love. My peace is my soul's love. My peace is my soul's love. My joy is my soul's love. My joy is my soul's love. My joy is my soul's love. So please experience this joy of doing the soul's love technique and aligning to this beautiful, purest love frequency of the universe, and allowing this soul love frequency to work on each one of us. So, thank you so much for patiently listening to me.